Let's find out which fruit will face mask better, avocado or orange. First, let's make the avocado face mask. For the avocado, let's get smashing. Avocados are known to have many skincare benefits. Haas avocado. They contain natural oils and vitamin E that can help nourish and hydrate your skin. These moisturizing properties make this mask ideal for battling off dry skin. Add some water. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Now suck it up. Inject the avocado. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. Let's go. This feels very moisturizing. I can already feel it hydrating my skin. But let's move on to the next face mask. Before we get to the citrus face mask, check out this mystery box that YouTube sent me. Let's find out if we can face mask it. I wonder what's inside. Chocolate and cookies. This is getting messy. I'm just going to keep smashing. A common question I get is, does eating chocolate cause acne? Chocolate specifically doesn't. It's usually the high contents of dairy, sugar, and saturated fats inside the chocolate that can trigger acne production. You could try opting for a dark chocolate with higher cacao, which is richer in antioxidants and beneficial for your skin and overall health. Add some water. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Now suck it up. Inject the chocolate and cookies. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. Let's go. This face mask looks delicious, but it's probably loaded with sugar and dairy, which are not great for your skin. Let's take it off. Let's make the orange face mask. Tangerine, let's get smashing. Smash, smash, smash. Mandarins. Oranges contain vitamin C, which has many skincare benefits. However, citrus fruits are acidic, and when used with incorrect concentrations, it can actually be problematic for your skin barrier. Add some orange juice. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles. Now suck it up. Inject the orange. Add the peptide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. Let's go. This one smells the best by far and it feels very refreshing. However, DIY concentrations are tricky to measure, so I would recommend sticking with the vitamin C serum instead. Subscribe and comment which face mask you liked best.